When should you buy and install the eSIM? When purchasing an eSIM, you will get instant delivery via email. The validity of the eSIM QR code will be available maximum 150 days. So, you can purchase the eSIM 15 days before the departure. Some eSIM plans will need to activate by SMS. With these eSIM plan, the validity only starts when you send activation SMS. So, you can install it 15 days before departure. Other eSIM plans will automatically activate it after installation. With these eSIM plans, you should install it 1 day before departure. If you need any further help, please contact Gigago via the hotline or visit gigago.com for instant support.